Google's latest lightweight AI FunctionGemma is making waves in 2026, promising to turn natural language into actual actions on your device, not just chat. But is it worth your time or just another experimental release? Let's break it down. So FunctionGemma is a specialized lightweight model built on Google's Gemma 3 270M architecture, designed not for casual conversation but to translate natural language into structured function calls that drive real actions or APIs. This lets apps execute tasks directly without relying on cloud service. Unlike general-purpose chat assistants, the model is all about function calling, meaning it's designed to integrate tightly with software tools and systems you build. One of the biggest selling points for FunctionGemma is edge-first AI. Because it's small, 270 million parameters, it can run on phones, laptops, or embedded devices with limited RAM. No server round trip required. That means fast responses, better privacy, and offline capability. In tests like Google's Mobile Actions benchmark, fine-tuning pushed its accuracy on structured tasks from around 58% to 85%, showing that with the right training, even a compact model can be reliable for real-world function execution. The shift is significant. Rather than just returning text, the model can produce valid JSON or API calls a system can execute, which is hugely valuable if you're building smart assistants, home automation, or in-app AI features. But here's the practical nuance. Out of the box, FunctionGemma is not a full-featured conversational AI like Gemini or other big LLMs. Instead, it's a foundation that developers fine-tune for specific domains, so its real power shows up in custom applications, not as a plug-and-play chatbot. You could use it to make your app respond to natural language commands, like toggling device settings, triggering workflows, or controlling smart devices, all without needing huge cloud models. Some developers online note it's already running on phones with modest RAM, 0.5 GB, which points to real edge AI promises, but other cautions that without fine-tuning, reliability is hit or miss because the base model isn't strong enough for nuanced instructions straight away. Some of its pros: it's lightweight and efficient for edge devices, converts natural language into actionable function calls, great for private offline usage, and open source and fine-tunable for specific workflows. However, it's not as capable as larger models for general conversation, requires fine-tuning to get reliable results, and is best used for a larger system, often paired with bigger models. So is FunctionGemma worth it? Yes, if you are a developer or builder who wants a compact, privacy-focused model to power real actions for natural language on devices. It may not be suitable if you're looking for a standalone general AI assistant. Those big models still do text and reasoning better. FunctionGemma isn't replacing big generative models. It's redefining how edge AI can do work rather than just talk about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.